slow and drop it real low, girl. Last time I seen you was a little old girl. Had a crush, now we grown and you still so curl. Clap for her, work it till you exhausted. I swear ain't nothing worse than a bad bitch that lost it. Brains off the chain, smart mouth with a dumbass. Goddamn, your ex-man is a dumbass. When you was leaving, did he put up a fight? Was he stressing you wasn't fucking you right? Well, one man's trash is another man's treasure. One man's pain is another man's pleasure. One damn thing you can't change is the weather. But even if it rain, we get rain on together. It's whatever, you shine, I shine. I know you got a 9 to 5, I'll be your 5 to 9. Hey, one time, and throw your hands to the sky tonight. Cause I think I see the baddest little thing in the world right now. But I gotta make sure I'm right. And girl, you're dead right. If your head right, I'll be there every night. I just might change your life. Cause baby, you got it, 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 hey.
All right. CPI in 5 minutes. At 2.6 forecast. Last month it was 2.3, so inflation is going up in the UK. Okay, daily's currently ranging, week bearish. Four-hour ranging, but trickling down a little. Resistance, that'll be support when the candle closes. Until then, this is the next support. I mean, if we break yesterday's high, obviously we'll continue pushing up. Where's yesterday's low? If we break yesterday's low, we could start a pullback. Previous low right there. And I'll put the previous high up here. Where's the low point? 659. Yeah, pretty much. And the high is 90.04. Cool. Got the support. I'll put these resistance. I'll put the first one. But I mean, this structure is it's a bearish structure. You know, it's making lower lows, lower highs. So yeah, pound yen didn't want to push up yesterday at all. And then it also didn't want to sell. Like I thought once it started pushing down here, it was going to keep going. But yeah, just pushed back up and then started to range or continue. When was the last CPI? Last CPI was November 20th. Let's take a quick look. November 20th. So this was the CPI candle, pushed up. Oh yeah, I remember this. It pushed up and then it failed to continue up. And it just came back down. So I'm gonna look out for something like that again today. Last CPI, the buyers reversed. Yes, yeah. I remember. I think we got in on the 7:30 candle and then it flipped. It pushed and then it closed weak and then the next candle came back. Oof. Okay, pushed up, pulling back. Hope it's not a whipsaw. So numbers came out as expected. So forecast 2.6. And the actuals were 2.6. So inflation slightly higher. Closure below could get some sales. Alright, while that candle's doing that, let's look at gold. If it stops moving. Alright, gold opened 4688. Gold yesterday did play out that continuation pattern and then pulled back up, which I think I said at the beginning of the stream. For our support. Resistance, another support. Hopefully gold doesn't range all morning. Look, this was NY session. Terrible. Terrible. We got a bit of a drop. And then, yeah, nothing for the rest of the session. Yeah, no moves for gold just yet. I mean, it's a weak bullish candle. Not really any direction. Kind of got triple top. If anything, it looks more bearish because of these two big red candles. But then when we pushed down yesterday, we pulled back up, so it's kind of ranging again. I think we'll get some volume with news, but it'll be very quick, and that'll be it. I think the trading year is winding down. So yeah, just gotta wait for gold to break out of this range. In the meantime, hopefully pound yen gives us something. Pound yen looks stuck. It's not trying to go nowhere. I think looking at this candle, we might get the sells. Which would be good because it's created the top wick, so we don't have to worry about price coming back up. Daily's bearish. Well, 4 hour will flip bearish if we break below this support. Yeah, I think the sells look good. If we can just get the closure now. Early trade today. Hope you haven't jinxed it. Hey, if it wants to happen, it will happen. If it don't happen, it wasn't meant to be. Would be nice. I think it's been a while since I've taken a trade on stream. Moves just haven't been there. M15. No, I'm still gonna wait for the 30-minute, I think. Still gonna wait for the 30-minute. really doesn't want to push downwards, does it? Or it's just taking its time, being typical pound yen. We're moving like the last 3 minutes of the candle. I don't think it's going to give us the closure below on a 15. It looks close, but it's like 15 pips away. Alright, so not getting a 15-minute closure. You ever jinx anything? Or your pound has been ranging since what? Monday, really? I mean, look at this. This is the price action. This is what pound yen has been looking like. If you can catch moves in this, I don't know what to tell you. You're a great trader. But have to be very in and out. Or you could just put on a line chart. But yeah, it's not been nice. Not been nice. At times like this, obviously if you don't find any trades, not making anything or not taking any trades is better than taking a losing trade. I'm definitely looking forward to next year though. Fresh year, fresh markets, hopefully. even though pound yen is ranging, I still kind of like the closure below. And that's because it's near, if you get the closure below, it's near yesterday's low point. And I think if we can break that, then we should get a nice little push. There's the next support, got a little support here. And then a 4-hour support. But then pound yen could just be waiting for the interest rates. We've got the yen interest rates first. Bank of Japan. That's at, well, sometime in Asian session. Won't know for sure when. But then pound interest rates midday, 12 o'clock. Go on a little bit more of a push. 10 pips. It's not gonna happen, is it? Pound yen is chilling. It's not even breaking the previous 30-minute low as well. Pushing down with no top wick. Tap that support. The closure below on gold looks better than pound yen at the moment. No top wick there. Gold daily staying bearish. If it breaks below these wicks, nice little 60 pip range down. If this pound yen had a nice top wick, the sells would look good here. You've got support, a resistance formed, and a sell from the resistance. You would anticipate volume, like continue pushing down, especially when it broke this wick. You've got another wick to fill. But yeah, with no top wick, doesn't look great. You think 8 AM candle volume? Yeah, potentially. I just want this candle to come up first. I mean, even if the 8 o'clock candle does like push up first and then come back down at 15 pips, but I kind of want it to, I want this candle to make the top wick so that the next candle can respect that high and then push down. That's like an ideal scenario. But you know, candle doesn't have to get the top wick straight away. Look, at this candle pushed up, didn't get a bottom wick until, when was that? Yesterday evening. Didn't come and make a top wick until today. Plug-in is the worst. What are you doing? There we go, give us a top wick, perfect. Go on. I definitely want to see it on this candle. Gold sales look very good. Get a closure below. Also, we'll be breaking 4-hour lows too. And we have this nice range. 67 pips. Alright, hopefully it doesn't push too much before this candle closes. Top wicket, I need a top wick at what price? 89, so 90. Alright, so closure below 2643. Keep an eye on the price for gold. See if we get this top wick. Finally a top wick. I know, right? Got the top wick, we just need price to push down now. Re-break the lows, close below that support. Hopefully price doesn't respect this support. Hopefully it doesn't hold and close with this rejection wick. Anything can happen. It's a long wick on the 4 hour though. The 1 hour closes below the support too, so nice engulfing. I mean, the way it's setting up, it looks good for sells. That's chilling. What's gold doing? Gold is pulling back up, holding this support. Move that for. Yeah, what's up? So the support looks strong. It does look strong. I never like when a candle pushes down first. If I'm looking for sells, I want that top wick first and then the drive down towards the end of the candle. It is shooting up. Got very close to yesterday's low. It's gonna go up and take everything out. When you say everything, what do you mean? I hope it goes up before I get my cells. I know that's right, Rosie. But you never know with pound yen. Let's see. Daily's still very bearish. The fact that it's come very close to yesterday's low and then pull back up. Then 4 hour, it's very weak. It does look like this support is holding. We've got 5 minutes left. See how it goes. It will reverse up and take out everything in that screen you see. Okay. Let's see what happens. You thought I was on the 1 minute time frame? Definitely not. No way. The 30-minute time frame is not for me. I mean 1 minute, yeah, 1 minute is not for me. I don't even like the 5 minute time frame like that. Unless it's on gold. Gold will be the only time I'm looking at the 5 minute. But other than that, lowest on pound yen is really like the 15. And one is dangerous. Gold doesn't look like we're going to get the closure below on gold, but you know, it's not actually far away. 10 pips in 2 minutes. Could close below. Pound yen doesn't look like it's going to give us the closure below. M30 bearish continuation. You know what? It looks like it. If you get this weak bullish candle, only thing is, I don't like selling into a support. So I can see it, long bearish candle, weak bullish, and then a bearish candle to continue down. But yeah, if this support wasn't there, I'd like it a lot more. If this support was like further away. But where it's at now, yeah, not really. I need to wait for a closure. Okay, gold didn't give us a closure. The next candle will take out that 15613 and stay going up. But what pair are you looking at? 156. That ain't one of these. That's got to be like UJ or something. I don't even know what pair that is. Oh, one. Okay. Oh, what? Where the daily candle opened? Okay, so you're bullish. You think it's gonna go up? Okay. See, I might have taken your advice seriously if you didn't mention a crystal ball. Oh, gold is breaking the low. So that's it. It's broken a 4-hour low. I think gold will keep pushing down now. Yeah. Gold is gone. This 30-minute breaks the 730-minute high, 730 candle high, I think it'll go up. The head and shoulders, I mean the inverse head and shoulders. What time frame do you see this head and shoulders? I don't really see it here. Benny, I'm still looking for sells. The chart is 10 minutes behind. I think with YouTube, there's like a, I want to say maybe 20 to 30 second delay. I think it's like a, yeah, 20-30 second delay, something like that. I think it's maximum about 20 seconds. But 10 minutes? 10 minutes is wild. And if you're on the future, where's price getting to in 10 minutes? Let me know. Go on, Panya, keep pushing. How long have I been into trading? Say 2017. So what's that? 3, 4, 7 years? Coming up to 8 years. Damn, 8 years. M30 should fill this wick. I hope so. I hope it doesn't push down too much just yet. Yeah, no, I trade full time. I'm a full-time trader now. Full-time trading for about, I want to say about 4-5 months. August. Yeah, about 4-5 months. But before this, I was working full-time, and then I started working part-time to focus more on trading, and then left the part-time, now full-time. When you first go full-time, yeah, so I went full-time, and then I was like, no, I need to get back to work because I needed something to do. It was very boring trading alone. I did have a group. Obviously, the group wasn't around all the time. And then, yeah, just thought, you know what? Forget work. Do you make decent money? Honestly, like, how easy is it to make 200-300 a day? I wouldn't say 200-300 a day, but the way I trade, so say this instance, I haven't really taken many trades this week. It doesn't matter because on one day I could make like £700-800, and then the next day I could make like another 400-500. So it just depends, really. I don't really focus on the daily. I focus on like what I'd make overall in the week or overall in the month, and that's what keeps me going. Nah, I trade live account, no prop firms. When I was working, that's how I did build up some of my capital. I was trading with my Forex funds. that got me payouts, and then obviously I stopped because I don't know if you know what happened with my Forex fund. So they obviously got shut down. But before they got shut down, I had like a couple live accounts with them, but my spreads were crazy, and I kept getting slipped massively. So I said, you know what, I'm not using them no more. And then obviously they got shut down, and one of the main things they were doing were they were messing with their live trader. The traders that had live accounts, they were messing with their accounts. So I guess I was one of them. But yeah, I stopped trading with them quite early before they got cut off. So I got a couple payouts from them, built up my capital that way, and obviously with work. And then I was with, who's the other one? FT. I was with, no, I can't remember the name. I was with another one. Got a few payouts from them, and then yeah, I just stopped with the prop firms because I don't like the fact that you can lose your account, or you could have a bad week and lose, like, I wouldn't even say 10%, but your drawdown, just if it keeps going down, it's not good. And I like to risk at least that 2% a trade. How much do you need in your account to make 200-300 a day without using crazy leverage? Okay, so 200-300 a day, I would say about 5k. Yeah, about 5k a day. 5k to make 200-300s. Because if you're risking 2%, which would be what, 50 to 100, yeah, I would say 5k. 5k is decent to make a couple hundreds. Depends how much sessions you're trading as well. But for instance, you trade with 5k, you're trading gold. You do a 0.5, you get 2%. That's 100 in one trade for 20 pips. So 20 pips, you've got 2%. You take another trade, another 20 pips, you've got 200. That's just off 2 trades. You have one trade, you get 40 pips. That's your 200 for the day. If you have 10,000 in live account, is that enough to make £800? Yeah, definitely. Definitely. See, the more money you have, you put into your account, obviously, the more money you'll make. I think a good place, if you're trading full time and you want to live off the money, or at least pay small bills, you need at least, I would say, 5k. And that's to be comfortable. Yeah, 5k is a good starting place. Even if you're making 1% a day, it's 250 a week, it's an extra grand. And that's only at 1%. Yeah, so yeah, 5k, 10 pips on gold, $50. That's a minimum. Yeah, look, this continuation pattern looks very good. There's the wick fill. Yeah, that's right, Benny. Did fill the wick. Just need this candle to close below this support now. You don't understand how making trade works. If I have 5k and I want to risk 100 each trade, how does leverage work? And with that 100 and my 5k, you need to know what lot size to use, and it depends on the pair. So what pairs do you trade? If you trade gold, and why I use gold as an example is because every pip, if you're taking a 0.5, every pip is 50 cents. In fact, let's make it simple. 0.10 is 10 cents per pip. So 10 pips, you get $1. So you need to know the lot size, the right lot size to use for the size of your account, so you're not over risking. I think the easiest thing to do is, if your account is, the way I always do it, if I have 10k in my account, I'm trading with 1/10 of that. So 10k account, I'll use one lot for 10 pips. 10 pips stop loss. That'll be about 1%. So if you're trading a 5k account, you want to trade with 0.5 lots. If you've got a 1k account, then you want to do 0.10 lots. That's the easiest way to work it out. But then you need to have very small stop losses. If you're going to have massive stop losses that are like 30, 40 pips, then you want to reduce your risk, reduce your lot size, maybe half it. So to make it simple, 1,000, you want to use 0.10. What's the lot? Shit. A lot size is how much you let's see. Paper trading. Let's connect. Oh wow, I've got a trade running. My paper trading account. Flipping out. When did I put that on? When did I put this on? I didn't even know this was going. Last month. Look at that, got trades running, I don't even know. Alright, let's close that. Not bad, look at that. Long position, 2631. Okay, I'll take it. I think they do it in units. So it'd be 10 units, I guess. Would it be 10? Oh, it'll be in units. So it'll be 10,000 units would be 10,000 units would be a 0.10. Yeah, this is your trade size here. So this is what's the smallest one? That's too small. This would be a 0.10. 10,000 units would be a 0.10. I think gold is easier. You know what? I can't bother to get into this. But yeah, 0.10 would be 10,000 units. But if you don't understand, don't forget the YouTube videos. Go on Baby Pips. Go on Baby Pips and learn about this stuff. That's your best bet. Babypips.com. I don't even think it will let me type the address. So Baby Pips is the starter pack. Yeah, I have a Discord. It's in the description of the stream. Join the Discord, and what I'll do is I'll send you something about lot sizes and leverage and pips and that. Yeah, if you join the Discord, I'll send it to you on there. Because it's not too long to go over on the stream. It's just I don't want to get wrapped up in it and miss a move. But yeah, you definitely, before you start taking any trades, you definitely need to know how to manage your risk. Otherwise, you'll just blow your account. Wait, how are you calling trades if you don't even understand that stuff? You're missing your crystal ball. Oh, wow. Yeah, cheers, Benny. Doesn't let me send links in here, so yeah, I have to put all the links in the description. Looks like we might finally get this closure below. 4 minutes. Oh, that's good. That's good. Yeah, definitely don't take no trades until you're ready. But we should have at least now. If you've been watching, like for me, I'm very much I learn by doing. So as I'm learning something, I need to do it I need to put it into practice straight away. Then I can take it in. So as I was learning, I always had a demo account. So if I learned about a new indicator, then I'd use it straight away. But on demo, then I know whether I like it or not. If I didn't like it, I stop using it, move on to something else. And then the stuff I did like, then I kept it and then kept practice using it. So yeah, if you're looking at price action, you should be, obviously marking up your charts. If you're looking at support and resistance, you should be marking it up. And then creating strategies, seeing what you like, seeing if it plays out. Because otherwise you just be taking in a whole load of information and then you're not applying it. And there's no point. How are you going to remember everything? Do you consider I don't know what that is. Oh, paper trading. Do I consider paper trading demo for the replay mode that costs money? I don't do my paper trading on TradingView. I think it's good though. I don't think it's bad. The only thing with TradingView is you would either have to paper trade like now while the candles are going, because if you do the replay mode, it doesn't really play the candles in real time. The candles sort of just move. I think the best trading platform for paper trading for me that's free is CTrader. CTrader has the best one. Only thing is you're only stuck on one time frame. So like if you want to paper trade or back test, you can back test on the 30-minute time frame. You can only look at the 30-minute time frame, but you can take trades, you can open, you can close. You can't close partials, just full, but yeah, you can enter trades and it's free. But you need a PC, no Mac. So Windows laptop. And yeah, CTrader is the best for me. I don't see many platforms that have a built-in market replay like CTrader does. And you can rewind to any time you want. To speed up the candles, you can slow them down, but the candles can play back in real time. Yeah, for me, that's the best one. Oh my God, we're not going to get the closure below. Are you serious? 20 seconds. And gold looks like it's pulled back up as well. Wow. Oh, GJ said, hell no. Alright, no moves there. Wow, so close to the closure. Alright, do you know what? Wow, pound yen is fapping about, I'll show you. Alright, so say, let's just rewind. Say I want to buy a market. I hope this is in the paper trading bit. Replay. No, it's here. Alright, so if you're paper trading in trading view and you want to go to the next candle, then if I say, right, I want to take a sell, I can't wait for the, I'm going to play the candles. See, like the candles, see how they play? It's not like it's a whole 30-minute candle that's forming in 30 minutes. It's literally just creating the candle straight away. So if I want to take a buy very quick, it literally has to be super quick. It's not waiting for the candle to make a bottom wick or anything like that. That's the only thing I don't like about trading view. So look, close. So that's how you would paper trade with trading view. Whereas with C Trader, the candles are playing slowly. You can speed them up, but you can see the candle going up and down, up and down, up and down, not just printing straight away like that. Alternatively, just open a demo account with a broker and then just take trades live. So back test, no, you're not back testing, you're forward testing. You're testing as the market is going along on a demo account. You can slow it down, but I mean 0.03 is slow. It's still gonna print the candles like that. There's no way, there's no amount of speed that's slow enough to take trades back testing on TradingView. Like the way I would do it, or the way I used to do it, is I used to wait candle by candle and then I would take an entry on the next candle. Yeah, I pay for a subscription. I pay, it's gone up now, it's about £156. But I always wait for the Black Friday sale because yeah, you get like 50% off or something like that. So every year, Black Friday, I buy another year and I get an extra month. So I've got about, I think, 4 months for free, 4 extra months before the new subscription kicks in. That's why I said download, get C Trader. C Trader is free. It's a platform. That's it. Just sign up. You don't even have to have a broker, I don't think. I think you can just sign up to C Trader by itself and they'll give you, I think you can open just a demo account before you decide on a broker, because your broker might not even use C Trader, but it's very good for the back testing. But yeah, if I'm collecting information on charts, then when I'm back testing, I'll literally wait for a candle to print. So say I wanted to take a trade here, I'll show you what I'd do. I'd have everything marked up. So like I had that here, I had a support there, I'd have a resistance, and then I'd say, okay, there's a fake out. This looks like it's going to be a fake out. I'll put my entry on where I think, where I would take it, and then I'd mark it up like that. I'd go next, 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 And then I'd say, yep, that trade worked. Take a snapshot, copy, put it in my little back testing journal, and I'd write it out, what happened in this trade, where I took it, and then, yeah, candle by candle. That's how I used to back test. But you'd have to anticipate what the next candle is going to do. What was the biggest win I had? That was with a prop firm account, trading news. I think it was about $4,000. I used to trade with 100k accounts. That's about 4k. So that was a good payout from that one. That was the biggest one. That wasn't even live. Well, live account, I'm a lot more cautious. Come on, pound yen. So GJ doesn't want to sell. It doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like it at all. The support really looks like it's holding. Now we've got these rejection wicks. But as long as these candles are respecting a previous high, still have a potential for some sells. Like gold, look at gold. Look, it's making higher lows. Daily's now bullish. The 4 hours just flipped. Would like a nice closure above this resistance. How big is the range? It's only 40 pips. It's not very long. It's not a big range. Yeah, I don't know about gold. Not very nice price action again. How often do you trade live like this? Every morning. Every morning, and sometimes NY session. Depends if there's news. So I might... What's in NY today? I think there's news later, but I think it's FOMC. That's always fun. Yeah, so I won't be trading New York session. I might live stream the New York the interest rates, federal funds rate, but that's at 7 p.m. my time. Yeah, every day, every morning. I mean, I trade every morning, so why not Why not just stream it, eh? Bounce off some ideas. Got some good traders in the chat. Some people trade the same, some people trade a little bit differently, but every opinion matters. $2.30 where I'm at. I'm in the US. How often do you trade this time? I know pound yen is usually, well, any pound pairs obviously are best to trade in London session, but obviously New York session as well is good. Pound yen is definitely gonna go up. I mean, at this rate, that's what it's looking like. That's what it's looking like. I mean, overall, I'm bullish on pound yen anyway, but I will take some quick sells if the opportunity is there. Like, it's been quite bullish for a while. I need a bit more of a body on this 4 hour though. But it's rejecting these lows. Let me get some sales first. What time is it? It's 8:42. Should say it on the stream. Look, big ass clock. 8:42. Yes, I'll be done by 9 o'clock if I don't get a move, which is not looking like. Then I take a little break. But I'm still in the Discord, so if I see anything or anyone talking in the Discord, then I'll pop up. If not, I won't be in there talking to myself. And yeah, just wait for New York session and then start trading again. And then finish by, say, about 2:30, 3 p.m. my time. And then just chill for the rest of the day. What do I do after trading? I journal. Like, I'll journal all the trades that I've taken or anything that I've missed. Sometimes I add chapters to the YouTube video, especially if I've taken a trade. And then recently I've been watching all the Avengers, all the Marvel movies in order. So I just finished Endgame yesterday. And yeah, just chill really. Chill. I would normally go gym, but I'm in recovery at the moment for an operation I had like 6 weeks ago. So I can't go back to the gym yet. But yeah, make food, chill, relax after streaming. Because imagine, it's like 6 hours of work, of watching the charts, London session, the New York session, every day. I aim to finish all trading stuff by like 5 o'clock. so that it doesn't feel like I'm just trading all day long. And then yeah, I have my evenings, do what I want. Play Xbox, bit of Call of Duty. Everyone on YouTube traded since 2018. 2018, I think that's been the start of it was the start of prop firms. 2018 prop firms became like really big. A lot of people are making money off those, selling signals, things like that. I think a lot of people I know started trading 2020 after COVID, because people had a lot of time on their hands. Well, they needed that extra income because of work, or they had a lot of extra income and wanted to do something with it. Also, trading became a lot more available. When I first started looking into it, you couldn't just get a broker and just start trading. You had to have someone maybe manage your account, or you needed at least 5k capital to have a account manager to invest your money. But over the years, it's become a lot more accessible, like doing it yourself. I only found out about trading because my best friend's sister used to trade, and she showed me where to go, and then yeah, I've been trading since then. Lambos and mansions. So I don't do Lambos and mansions, I do holidays. holidays in jewelry usually. I used to work in the gold industry, so I have a lot of jewelry, a lot of chains and rings and watches. I'm not a flashy person. Yeah, they probably trade big accounts. I know a lot of them started with prop firms and then obviously selling signals. And they all sell signals, and that's a monthly income. You have like at least 1,000 people, even like, yeah, you have 1,000 people paying you $20 a month for signals. That's 20k a month. If you're selling them for 50, that's 50k a month. I think Don used to sell his signals for, I think it was like 120 a month for his signals. I'm from London. Let's see how this candle closes. If I don't get a setup on this one, and I'll be back tomorrow. No, later on today for FOMC. I think I do want to see what happens. That should be fun. Basically, once you understand and learn trading, it's the size of capital that allows huge payouts and risk to reward. Well, yeah, the bigger your account, the more money you can potentially make without risking too much. I mean, you could take £1,000 to £10,000 using big risk, but you could also risk blowing that account. close below. Is this too good to be true? No problem, man. Makes the time go by. Pound yen's not giving us this closure. This support is too strong. So if the daily stays bearish and the 4-hour stays bearish, then I'm looking for some sells. It does look like it's pulling back a little bit, but the overall structure is quite bullish at the moment. So I think we could just be ranging until interest rates tonight for the yen. I do think that's why it's ranging a bit. Yeah, I don't think anything right now. I don't really like taking trades after 9 o'clock because it ranges even more. So yeah, this isn't giving me anything right now. And if it does close below there, these rejection wicks that I'm not too fond of. So I need all of this to be cleared before I take any sells. And then maybe the previous daily candle low being broken for more of a push down. On gold, I would like a closure above this resistance, which is a 4-hour resistance and 30-minute before taking any buyers up. Because the daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish as well. But yeah, I need gold to come out of this range before I look for any trades. So yeah, that's me. So I'm done here. Nothing is happening on the charts just yet. I'll be back for FOMC. Yeah, I'll definitely be back for FOMC. We'll see an initial move at 7, and then when Powell starts talking at 7:30, you'll see price moving around again. It's always quite fun to watch. But yeah, I'm out. I'll be in the Discord, so hit me up in there. See you guys either later on tonight or tomorrow.